There we go. Pick one up and eat it.
Go ahead, buddy.
Yummy. Look how cute you are. Mm. He likes to hold them in his left hand. Those are like his reserve. But he feeds with his right hand. Are they yummy?
There he goes.
There you go. Good. He learned how to do that in like 2 days. He's not super skilled at it yet, but he figured it out.
Hey, the food goes in the mouth. That's all it takes. He dipped into the savings. He's trying to get like 4 at a time.
I know.
How about one? Shoot for one, buddy. There you go.
Mmm.
Yum.